How to remove H&R Block Deluxe from cart. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website of H&R Block. Type in HR Block and then search for it. Now click on the very first one website link www.hrblock.com. Once you're on the website, what you have to do is scroll all the way down. At the bottom section, you're gonna find this option of Need Support. Click on the option Customer Help. At the moment, within HR Block, there is no such option to get rid of HR Block Deluxe from the cart. So what you have to do is contact their customer support. You can use these options given over here, schedule an appointment, visit their office, or call them at this number given over here. Using any of these options, you can request them to remove H&R Block Deluxe from cart, and they will do that. So that's the wrap for this video. This is how you can remove H&R Block Deluxe from cart. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.